Prosecutors in President-elect Trump's New York City criminal case say his sentencing could be postponed. After Trump's election victory, Judge Juan Merchan asked District Attorney Alvin Bragg how he wanted to proceed with the case. Considering we're in uncharted territory, this is the first time in U.S. history a convicted felon was elected president. In a court filing Tuesday, the DA's office wrote, it will oppose any effort by Trump's team to dismiss the case, but conceded the possibility of delaying the November 26th sentencing until 2029, when Trump's second term in office ends. CBS News legal contributor Rebecca Roiphe joins me now. So, Rebecca, are you surprised at all by what was in the prosecutor's filing?
Lindsay, thanks for having me here. I was not surprised, and I think a couple of important things to note here is that once he assumes office, he'll be able to make those federal cases go away. But this case is different in two important ways. One, it is a state prosecutor, and two, there has already been a jury verdict. So what Judge Merchan has to do here is balance the weight of a jury verdict, and a jury plays a very important role in our criminal justice system, with the need to ensure a smooth transition. So what the district attorney did here was offer one possible resolution, which is instead of dismissing this case, which would be a slap in the face to the jury that had done all this work, this would be a possible compromise where they could put off the sentencing so it had no possibility of interfering with the president-elect's ability to ensure that this is a smooth transition.
So the sentencing was scheduled for November 26th. Are we thinking that's going to hold? What happens next?
So now the judge has to make his own decision here. So there have been possibilities put on the table. The president's attorneys are certainly going to fight for dismissal. My guess is that this is a judge with strong respect for the jury system, who has conducted this trial in a fairly, important and dignified way, and will not throw the case out, but will rather either take up the district attorney's offer or go forward with the sentencing and just stay the implementation of that sentence, which is another option that could go forward.
And Trump and his attorneys are still trying to have the case dismissed based on the Supreme Court immunity ruling. Do we know when we'll have a ruling from the judge on that? And does the fact that he was reelected change anything in the immunity argument?
It should not change anything in the immunity argument. I don't think we know exactly when that will come down, but I would think it would come down fairly soon. I think this is rather of a long shot, given the fact that most of the conduct for which he was convicted happened before he assumed the presidency. There are a few pieces of evidence that came in that could potentially have been covered by that immunity decision, but the judge could easily say that there is enough other evidence sufficient to support that conviction. So that is not an important matter that he would have to dismiss the conviction as a result of.
Rebecca Roiphe, thank you.
Thank you.